Hey, what's going on? Raheem Madison here, and on today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to use Quora for affiliate marketing. Alright, so I'm super excited about this video, and I definitely feel like you're going to get massive value from it, and you're also going to learn, if you stick with me to the end, you're going to learn exactly how to create passive traffic for yourself. Alright, so with that being said, if this is your first time here on my YouTube channel, go ahead and smash that subscribe button if you want to learn how to build a long sustainable business that will eventually give you the freedom you deserve. Alright, so with that being said, let's jump right into the content. Alright, so first things first, what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be breaking down a domination strategy that you, my friend, are going to be doing for the next 90 days. What I want you to do right now, in the comments, I want you to go ahead and comment, challenge accepted. Alright, challenge accepted. Why I'm asking you to comment that is, once I give you this strategy, it's going to be a 90-day strategy. That's you confirming to yourself, okay, I'm going to do this because I want to create passive traffic. All right. Now, I'm specifically making this video for people who don't have a lot of money to spend on advertising, right? And they want to still be able to create traffic inside of their business. Maybe you don't really want to. Maybe you're not someone who really wants to create videos, right? Maybe that's not really your style like that, but you'll do it from time to time. Then Quora will be a platform for you that will allow you to, use words. But if you really want to, you can also use video as well. All right, so let's get into the content. I'm going to go ahead and minimize my camera, and we're going to get right into it. All right, so go ahead and minimize my camera. All right, so let me go ahead and make this a little bit bigger. All right, so here is the domination strategy, okay? So as you can see, it says 90 days to passive traffic. Now, since we are talking about Quora, I want to go ahead and show you the amount of eyes that I've driven to multiple links. Not necessarily affiliate links, but we're going to get into the actual strategy that we're going to be using, right? We're not going to be like everybody else who's, direct linking people or just sending people directly to a affiliate link or something like that. All right, so let's get into it. All right, so I'm going to go over to Quora real fast, and I'm going to kind of break it down and show you what you're going to be doing for the next 90 days. All right, so don't forget to comment down below and say challenge accepted, I'm going to do it, or something like that. All right, so I'm on Quora right now, and the page I'm on is the answer page, right? So this is like questions that the discussions that you subscribe to are going to show up right here. Now, another thing that Quora has is where people can directly ask you questions. So if I go to answer requests, these are questions that people actually requested for me to answer, right? So as you can see, Yusuf Khan requested your answer to this. Andrew Kortenek, I might have messed that up, requested your answer to this. So these are directly to me, right? So I can literally, what I can do from this is I can literally take these questions and do like a Ask Raheem on like my YouTube channel, right? And then I can just answer these questions and then reply back to them with that video answer, and that's going to make it personal to that person because they asked me specifically, they asked me that question. So I'm coming back and I'm making the video just for them. They're going to get massive value from that, and that's going to build a connection with that person. All right, so that's just a little, I don't want to give you that little tip right there. All right, so what we're going to be doing though is, and matter of fact, just go ahead and do this right now. Go to Quora. If you haven't signed up for an account yet, go ahead and sign up for a Quora account. It doesn't take that long. And then just follow along with me. If you already have a Quora account but you've never used it, then do what I'm about to do right now. So whatever niche that you're in, it doesn't matter if you're in dating and relationships, health and fitness, make money online, affiliate marketing, it doesn't matter. Whatever your niche is, I want you to type it in, right? So I'm going to go ahead and type in the niche that I'm in. All right, so I'm in the affiliate marketing niche. So I'm going to go to that discussion. Now, the way that it's broken down on Quora is by discussion. So this is affiliate marketing discussion. All right, so let me type in dating and relationships. Dating and relationships. So it's based on a topic, but it's really just a discussion. So it's almost like a little community of people who decided, okay, I want to get involved in this discussion because this is the type of niche I'm in and I can provide the most value. All right, so I'll just stay right here on the affiliate marketing page. So essentially what we're going to be doing is we're going to be looking for questions that people are asking out there, and we're going to try to provide the most value that we can with a question. All right, so let me show you an example of a few that I've done. Sorry. So if I go to my profile right here, you can see I have my profile set up pretty cool. And they allow you to have a link here as well, so that's actually, you know, added value. That way if somebody does come here, they get value, they can see exactly what you're doing, right? And you can have any link right there that you want. All right, so as you can see, I have 154 followers, so my followers are growing every single day. As you can see, so far this month, I've had 1,200 eyes, 1,200 free eyes on my answers. Right now, not all of my answers have links going to different places. Some of them are just me responding back without a link, right? And still providing value, because you don't want to, here's the strategy. You don't want to put links in every single answer, all right? And let me go ahead and get this out the way. Quora is a little bit iffy when it comes to like affiliate links. So if you are going to do it, I'm not saying that they don't allow it, but what I've seen is certain people here on Quora, the people that just constantly put their links in, especially if they're putting like actual affiliate links, so direct clickbank links. So you remember I talked about in a couple videos ago, if you're gonna you know, promote clickbank affiliate products or something like that, make sure you use a capture page and put that capture page in front of the affiliate link, so that way, you know, it benefits you a lot more instead of just direct linking. All right, because what I've seen on Quora is that sometimes Quora will literally move your post down, like they'll make your post irrelevant. All right, so never direct link. All right, so that's just a word of advice. All right, so let's actually get into what I was going to show you. So you see, I've made, that's 1,200 eyes this month and 5,600 total answer views. So that's 5,600 total eyes that have seen my answers. All right, so as you can see, I've been constantly answering questions. So here we go. How do I earn $1,000+ US in 1 month on YouTube? So if you guys have been subscribed to me, you know I did a video showing my 1K per month formula, right? So what did I do in this post? I said, so I want to make sure I give you a valuable answer. So I put together a training over on my YouTube channel breaking down how I've been having consistent $1,000 months. Hopefully that free training helps you. And then I linked out to my YouTube video, right? So the reason I'm doing this, and I've been doing it this way a lot, I've been linking, like I don't try to put any affiliate links or anything like that, right? I don't try to do that. What I do is I want to build connection with a person first. So if a person decides to click back on my link, right, and it takes them back to my YouTube channel and they get value from it, right, they get value from whatever video I share with them, and then now they continue to watch my YouTube channel or they subscribe to my YouTube channel, now I'm building that relationship. You notice I always talk about giving value before you actually try to sell to somebody. So when they finally do subscribe to you, right, that relationship is already built. So at that point, you can basically let your videos do the selling. You're not directly selling that person. Now think about if you're answering their question and then you try to put an affiliate link directly to an offer, that person, it's going to be a complete turnoff. And that's not what you want, right? So this is the strategic way to do it. Link them out to something like maybe it's your blog, right? But for me, it's my YouTube channel, right? I create more consistent content on my YouTube channel. So if I'm going to be, you know, like trying to provide value to people, I'm gonna link them to my YouTube channel to build that relationship first, and then let my videos do the selling. All right, so let's take a look at another answer I did. How much do you get paid per 1,000 views on YouTube on an internet marketing niche? Somebody asked that question, so I went ahead, provided value, and then what I did again, right? So I've gotten to the point where I did enough answers to where I look for specific answers that I know. I look for specific answers that I know I have like content already on it. That strategy is a lot more beneficial. So when you see these questions that people ask, and you already know that you have content on that already, let's say you have a blog post, right? And you've answered that question in one of your blog posts, not specifically from that person, but just creating content in general. You can literally use some of your content from, anywhere in your blog post, and then just take the answer and move it over to Quora. And then of course, kind of make it a little bit creative, right? You can kind of add a few things just to kind of entertain your Quora audience. All right. And then it's really as simple as that, guys. You're basically researching your niche, right? You're literally researching your niche. And once you get to your niche, you're going to join the discussion, so that way you're getting multiple questions from people who are in a targeted niche. For me, it's going to be affiliate marketing. For you, it may be something completely different. All right, so let's go over here to the domination strategy. So research discussions based around your niche, right? Which is what we just did, right? I typed in affiliate marketing. You typed in whatever niche you're in, and then once you do that, you're going to see people asking questions related to your niche. All right, so let's go to number 2. Find questions that are niche specific and answer them. Right? If you're in a specific niche, it's very important that you know the pains of your niche. This way you have leverage, my friend. All right? Number 3, initial questions. Make sure you're not spamming your links. So those, I would say your first 5 to 10 answers should just be words. You shouldn't be trying to link out so fast, right? Because like when it comes to like forums or different sites just like Quora, you want to you kind of want to engage with the community first, so people can see, okay, this person is giving value. They're not really linking out, but they're still giving value. And then after a couple of questions, once you get to like 10, 15 questions, now you can start saying, okay, I'm going to start linking out now. So as you can see, I have 40 answers. I've answered 40 questions, but at that point, I kind of know what to look for. I kind of know what I'm doing. So when I'm looking at those questions, I'm like, okay, I already have content, right? So let's look for questions that I already have content on, so I can now build that relationship with people, right? And this is how you have to be thinking, all right? So that is all 3 of them. Now, the bonus one, as you can see that bonus down there, Quora recently released, it was actually a couple of months ago, but they recently released where instead of just writing and instead of taking your videos from YouTube, you can literally actually do a video response. And that right there is a game changer, right? Because you don't have to take a link from your YouTube video and bring it over to Quora. You can literally just do a video response, and now they're seeing your face, so the relationship can be built on Quora's platform without even them making it to your YouTube channel. And then once they get used to seeing your face on Quora, they're going to be like, oh man, I like this guy. Does he have some more content? They're going to go to your profile, and if you have your YouTube video posted, the YouTube channel, a way to get to your YouTube channel posted there, they're literally going to go to your YouTube channel because you've built that relationship on the Quora platform where they met you in the first place. All right, so that is the 90 days to passive traffic, right? As you can, let's actually go back to my profile, and I'll show you again, right? Let me actually just refresh the screen. All right, so you can see 1,200 views this month. So that's 1,200 views that have seen some, like, and not all of them are going to go to the link. That's another thing I want to put out there. Everybody's not going to go to the link, but if you're really giving value and you're constantly putting out answers, they're going to go over to those links. All right? So, that is 90 days to passive traffic. If you do this, if you actually do what I'm telling you to do, I'm telling you, you're going to start to drive massive traffic. All right? So, let me go ahead and say it one more time. 90 days is how long you're going to be doing this. Every single day for the next 90 days. If you do this, I'm telling you, you are going to generate passive traffic. All right? And how do you grow a business? You need traffic, right? So if you don't want to spend any money on advertising, put in at least 30 to an hour a day of answering questions. Okay? So, with that being said, I hope I provided you some value, and also do not forget to comment down below and say challenge accepted if for the next 90 days you're going to do this for 30 to an hour a day, answering questions, providing value. And if you already have a YouTube channel, start doing what I'm doing. Just watch this video, see exactly, what I was explaining, kind of, take it back a little bit, and then get started. All right, so like I said, if you got some value from this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and tick that bell icon so that anytime I release any new videos, you get them. All right, so with that being said, I look forward to seeing you in the next video, my friend. Peace.